Thank you so much for finding out more information about FlowTube. If you are looking for a high-quality service that supplies innovative bespoke manufacturing, assembly and material handling solutions, then look no further. FlowTube is a simple and reusable modular system made up of steel or aluminium tubes and profiles, with quick assembly interconnecting joints, roller tracks and accessories. We can provide, for example, flow racks, auto-load trolleys, workstations, workbenches, assembly lines, and so much more, which can be customised to meet your specific process requirements. FlowTube solutions are simple to design, quick to assemble, and are the perfect alternative to fabricated or welded systems, as they can be easily reconfigured or completely rebuilt to meet a new requirement. As well as steel tubes, our lightweight aluminium system is suited to a wide range of applications due to its high strength-to-weight ratio, variety of special profiles and accessories, and is fully recyclable. All the steel and aluminium flow tube profiles and joints can be integrated with each other to increase the options and permutations available. With continual improvement being at the heart of the lean manufacturing principles and related philosophies, FlowTube is the perfect answer to reducing time, reducing waste, and increasing productivity. We follow philosophies such as Kaizen and Kanban to facilitate the best manufacturing or material handling environment for you. We create simple and innovative solutions that are ergonomically designed, such as workstations that are height adjustable for different users. As well as single workstations, we can also provide assembly cells that can accommodate a number of operators, maximising efficiency and productivity. Our systems are also compatible with AGVs for Industry 4.0 production facilities and custom designed to fit the requirements of a smart factory. We have worked with various system integrators and end users to help develop aspects of Industry 4.0 in today's manufacturing companies. How does the build process work? First, our representatives visit your site to understand your processes and listen to your requirements, before proposing a FlowTube custom solution using the expertise of our in-house lean experts and designers. You will receive initial sketches of your design using the latest CAD design software. Following final drawing approval, we can then cut and assemble the solution in-house and deliver straight to you. Or we can either supply the solution in kit form for you to assemble, or we can deliver your choice of uncut tube, joints and accessories for you to design, cut and assemble. We appoint a project manager according to the type of requirement, covering various areas including design, safety, commercial, contractual, site installation and commissioning.